What's up, everybody? Alex O'Crypto. Shout out to the Otter Gang. How's it going? What is going on? What a day. Holy smokes. I was at work on a Monday. It was your Sunday, I'm sure. And it was wild. Wow. Weekly close. We got a green dot. Could we get more upwards action? Now we got a good pump today. We weren't too bored, were we? We weren't staring at the charts like this guy, with the vein. And oh my God. I mean, it's been grueling sideways action. And all of a sudden, we just got a pump. Now, where are we? What is going on? Let's get into the charts. Hopefully, like I always say, risk management, choices made in anger cannot be undone. Revenge trading, random setup, and I know a lot of you guys, somehow you get the bird's feet or whatever here and you manage to persevere, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to learn, we're here to grow. Let's get down to the 2 hour. Look at that. Wow. Boing. What a movement. All right, so this was a beautiful movement. I caught this trade. I'm currently up. I caught this at 17:50 in the morning before work, and I let it ride. And guess what? We're in profit. So we shared some setups. We had some ideas yesterday. So let's go over what I'm thinking now with this big pump for the weekly close. All right. So first of all, my first level of resistance is this Fibonacci that I pulled up, and I wanted to talk to you guys about first. All right, so I've pulled this up. There is a couple tops over here. If I go down, I think it's on the 18. If I go down to all the way down there, but there is some, if you hold control and you scroll with control, there is some top over here. You see the tops? All right, so this is my high here that I'm pulling from, all the way down to the low. There's confluence here, right? There's confluence here. So this is a level. It has been hit, right? And it's just above our price right now. Now, our price did come to a nice Fibonacci level so far. I believe if you pull it from this top over here, right? This top to the bottom of this. Oh, who's that? Mr. Fibonacci. Fib and Archie. Okay, so these are marked out on my chart, but look at this movement we got, all right? So we got bing, bang, bong, one, I'd say 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Who knows where we're going to go next, right? But that's what we're here to talk about. Right? So we got a nice pump. Let's pull up our levels. Let's see what we can do with all this stuff here. Now, I think this is a little bit too zoomed out. So, oof. We're going to go there. That looks a bit more appropriate. And fix this. Yeah. All right. And we'll pull up our group of TA here. We got some value area highs, some value area lows, lots of lines, but guess what? We'll clean this up for you. We'll get an idea, and we'll get right into this price action right here. Now, look at this. Why did I get in? I got in right here this morning. I hope that didn't hurt your ears. I'm sorry if it did. You know I love you guys. You know I appreciate every single one of you. I love you like no other. Like, you guys make me finish work. I'm covered in insulation today. I'm a carpenter, and we were doing insulation. And I got an itchy nose, and I'm all bogged up. And you know what? I'm like, I don't really feel like it. But when I think of the Otter Gang, you guys out there needing some TA, needing some advice or some opinions, because this is not financial advice. This is just me here sharing what I think is going to happen with the price action, a market update. So we got a beautiful pump, right? And guess what? We're still moving. Now, I had the 15 or 17,529 marked out for my charts. There's a couple of levels that has been hit. I would make this a lot smaller, actually. And I'll clean this up for you guys. just so you know that these levels have been working out so well. So we got above this value area high. It took a huge amount of volume to pump through this, but guess what? We made it. We made it, right? And now we've come to this local area, and what is going to happen next? Well, I think everybody's getting a little bit bullish, and we have a lot of areas above us to fill, right? We've talked about this too. When we zoom out here on the 1 hour or the 90-minute, either one, right? We look at this range, right? We can see this range, but we can see that we haven't filled this area up here, right? So look, we're almost there. We're almost there. Let me shut this off. We're almost there, right? This area here. We're just grazing it, right? So if we do get above this 17,496 area, 17,512 area, I believe that we can get back up. There's a little one right here at 18, I have it marked there, 18.4. But that's where we could be going, possibly, right? Possibly. But where do I think we're going to go? Where would we go if we just had a big pump? You know, I'd say a little retracement, right? So if I was coming to this fresh, which fibs would I pull, right? Which areas would I be looking? Well, I'd definitely be pulling from this swing low to that swing high. I'd definitely be pulling this, right? Looking for confluence. So let's zoom in here and see what we got. Let's turn on our group. All right, bang, bang. Thank you, Jam. So with this line being here, I would move this up and I would draw a box around it, right? This is kind of how I work on a daily. I just want you guys to see how I work and how I come to the charts with a fresh mind, with good risk management. I'm looking for up and down. Every day, I'm looking for up and down, right? So we got that fib. We got this local fib. And we got this value area high. Now, what is key to me that I said yesterday is that we flip the value area high into support. Now, so far, so good, right? Earlier on, we came up and we lost it, right? Did we get a swing failure pattern here? Nope. We took a lot of volume and we came straight up and we came up to that Fibonacci that I showed you earlier on in the video, right? And now we could be in a double top situation. We don't know. This could be a reversal pattern, right? But after a move such as that, I do believe that there is more testing of the value area high of support. I do believe that we need to ensure that this can sustain us. I look for at least 3 hits. And I'd be looking to trade this up and down, and maybe down, depending on how the price action tells me, right? If I get some nice, beautiful divs, which we have gotten today, right? We've gotten some nice divs over here. If I go here, I believe it's on the 10. And you could have rode this down right here. See, we got a swing high. Let me get rid of this. This is in the way. All right. I'm just watching it because I'm looking for a short right now. So we got this one and this one, right? Very simple. Brought us down a nice percentage, right? Now, how would we have known to look for this area? Well, I showed you the fibs from before, right? Same area. Could have pulled the fibs, right? From that swing high to swing low. Confluence, right? These are what I'm looking for. Key levels of support and resistance, Fibonacci, bearish or bullish divergences, high volume profiles. Where's the price going, right? We have to understand right now, if I zoom out and I look at this, we are in a definite uptrend, right? We are in a definite uptrend. If I take it from here to here and I pull this out, we're definite uptrend, right? I can make this a little bit longer, right? Make it a little neater, right? Definite uptrend. So where am I looking next? I'm looking to come up I'm looking to come up and test this 17.5 with this uptrend. I'm looking to come up here and then come back down quite aggressively into the value area high, and either we bump or we drop, right? And I'm looking for the same thing that we were looking for back there. I'm looking for higher highs. I'm looking for this one to come up above here, right? With bear divs. So hopefully we get some nice bear divs, right? So this one will be here, depending on what timeline. I would like a higher timeline divs. They seem to play out stronger, and especially with such an aggressive uptrend, I'm not looking for anything too aggressive on the short side. I am still riding along. So I hope this helps. I hope these levels help. If you're enjoying these videos, you know, please just throw a like up there. And if you don't mind, subscribe. I got these videos for you every night, just giving you another indication of like how you can trade these charts, what to look for, how I'm trading these charts, what positions I'm in. Also shout out to, you know, the Candle Mafia in Frankie's Discord. They're great guys. Frank has helped me a lot. There's a great community over there. I do post setups every now and then over there. We will eventually get a Discord, but right now I'm just trying to share the knowledge free for all my homies, all the Otter gang, because, you know, we out here trying our best, right? And the key to everything is to have the strategy, trade at key levels, high risk management. I cannot say this enough, is preserve your capital, right? If I have $100, right? $100, and I lose $25 and I have $75, even if I make 50% of that, I ain't gonna have or 100% on that, I ain't gonna have my $100 back, right? So if we preserve the capital, we'll be all right, because incrementally, if we grow the account and be patient, incrementally over time, we will be better off, because we will be able to go in with those 10% of our capital trades, and that number will be higher due to us being very risk management, and therefore we will make more money on our trades over time, right? We got to be in this for a long-term game, right? We have to kind of have our feet in the market and just play the levels and work through it with good risk management. You know, not checking our phones, you know, closing that trade at the end of the night in profit, because it's like, I'd rather sleep. Like, this is about enjoying crypto, not obsessing over your trades, and you know what? Having a bit of fun. So that's why I suggest you come over to the Discord. We have memes. We got all that stuff on Frankie Candle's channel, and we have a great time. But if there's anything I can say to any of you, is that I appreciate you. You know, and you guys are awesome, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you, and God bless, and have a good day. Happy Monday to all you in North America. Bye.